Your workflows aren't broken. Your trigger strategy is. Most high-level users don't have a workflow problem. They have a trigger problem and they don't even realize it. Let me explain. Every automation you build is only as smart as the moment it starts. If your trigger is wrong, your logic is irrelevant. Your conditions are useless and your follow-up becomes pure chaos. I'm going to tell you 7 trigger mistakes that break 80% of high-level workflows. Number 1, tag added as the main entry trigger. Like every time I see this, it makes me laugh because people use tags as a point of the initial trigger. However, they aren't meant to be used as they use it. This is the most overused trigger in GHL. Now, tags are meant to be labels, indicators, filters, not the backbone of your automation. Number 2, using only one trigger when you need to use a combo. For example, only triggering a nurture workflow when a form is submitted. The correct type should be trigger on a form submission, add a tag, add to pipeline stage, and then fill in the field. The more specific entry, the cleaner the workflow. Number 3 is not separating cold, warm, and hot leads. GHL gives you trigger links, value changes, lead scoring, custom fields, source filters, but most people are just sending out emails and still judging their response rate on the basis of open rates. I mean, GHL has given you a gold mine. Just use trigger links and lead scoring. I mean, you would know which lead is more interested. But most people throw everyone into a nurture sequence. I mean, no wonder it doesn't convert, right? Number 4 is running reminders on the wrong trigger. For example, customer booked an appointment. That's fine. But if the event changes, reschedules, cancels, your workflow wouldn't fire. I mean, instead, use appointment status changed, appointment rescheduled, calendar matching. I mean, something which actually triggers every time there is a change in a respective condition. Now, this is the 5th one over here. This trigger is so powerful, but dangerous if used wrong. Your workflow might trigger every stage update, every drag and drop, every minor movement, which creates double messaging, chaos, and spam and overwhelmness, and you just want to quit. Go high level then, right? Always combine it with conditions. Now, number 6, not using custom field changed. This single trigger is a game changer. It allows you to automate onboarding, subscriptions, purchases, from data mapping to internal tasks, AI logic, personalization. Most people skip it because they don't understand it or they undervalue it. Now, the number 7th would be no trigger hierarchy. A real GHL system uses primary triggers, safety triggers, conditional triggers, reset triggers, and then follow-up triggers. Not tag added, send email. That's old school. The trigger framework all GHL pros use, instead of guessing your triggers, use this simple hierarchy. Capture triggers should be form, calendars, funnels, purchases, webhooks. That's it. Qualification triggers should be custom fields, trigger links, lead scoring, and conditions. There should be action triggers, which would be pipeline stage, appointment status, task completed, task removed, node added. There should be safety triggers like unsubscribes, bounces, D&D, duplicate prevention, stage rollback. When your triggers are structured, your workflows become unstoppable. It seems like a structured system instead of somebody who just hopped onto his computer and connected some dots. That works initially, but in the longer run, you would feel like your system is broken. Now, the truth is, your workflows don't need more steps. They need smarter entry points. Fix your triggers, don't use if conditions, create separate workflows, and everything else starts working automatically. If you want more videos like this, the link to my YouTube channel is in the description. Go ahead, subscribe to our channel, and you'll find high-level tips that nobody else talks about.